Hello everyone, this is Robbie with Chip & Co. We have another unboxing for you today. This is the new Wilds Unknown Illumineers Trove. So Pixar again is here and we're excited. We love the artwork and look at the box. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Look at the art on this thing. And I can't wait to open this up to show you what's inside. Here's kind of an overview of everything inside this box. And we're hoping to find that Enchanted, You've Got a Friend in Me. So hopefully this box has it. We'll see. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more unboxings. And let's get started. Can't wait. I'm actually excited to see what's inside this box. Oh my goodness. So first up, we're going to pull out is the actual storage box. I mean, this is, standard storage box, but it's just beautiful with all this artwork. Especially, the Pixar, characters, Toy Story. I mean, this is Incredibles on the box. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful. All right, so inside the box, let's open it up. Wow, really nice. Looks like, a place where you can put your cards in. Here are the cards that you get with the pack, and we're going to be opening up in just a few moments. And there's more stuff in here. We're going to open up each item so I can show you what it looks like. First up is we're going to do is the dividers, and these are brand new. And of course they have the artwork, obviously. And it's up to you if you want to, the way you want to organize your cards. You can use the dividers, you don't have to use them, but I think this is a great idea, especially with all the cool artwork that they offer. Okay. Then we do have the dice. Let's open this up. So these are the brand new dice, the damage dice, and it is lime green, looks like, with a little orange look to it. So really, really cool. I don't know if you can see the numbers on there. I think they look really nice. And then, of course, it is the spin dial lore counter, and it has the artwork on it. And this is great, to keep track of your points as well. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna start opening up the cards, and I'm super excited, hoping we find an Enchanted. So let's do this. And it's not as many as the last pack that we opened up, but let's see what we get. Okay. Again, the art on this is just incredible. We love all the art. Still nothing, no Enchanted yet, but we have some really cool legendary and rare, or super rare cards, sorry. Really nice. Okay, so we're gonna keep opening up packs here. absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you, these cards are just gorgeous. Quite a few cards so far. Nothing yet, but we're gonna put these in the box really quick. That way they're organized. All right, let's keep going. A few more to go. I'm not giving up. I'm hoping the last pack will be the pack. All right, the last one. Well, we didn't pull an Enchanted in this pack. Sorry about that. I was hoping that at least we get one. But again, we got some really cool cards and I'm super excited. I really love this storage box. I love the dividers. I love the counter. Everything looks just absolutely beautiful. And remember, this is gonna officially hit shelves everywhere May 15th. So make sure you pick up a box and hopefully you'll get your Enchanted in that pack. Thanks again for joining us. This is Droppy again with Chip & Co. and we'll see you in the next video.